Question number 5. Which are the main monosubstituted derivatives of benzene? Okay, so first I'll just draw out benzene. It contains 6 carbons. In a cycle. Wait, I think I just drew 7. Hold on. Okay. And then in between each carbon, well, every other carbon is a double bond. And then since carbon needs 4 bonds in total, all of the carbons contain a single hydrogen. Okay, so this is benzene. So when we have a monosubstituted derivative, since there's a prefix of mono, this can help give us a hint of what this means. So monosubstituted means that one of the hydrogens is substituted with another functional group. So depending on the functional group, they'll all have different names, obviously. So I'll just write down some of the main examples, and then we can see what the junior tutor said. So I'll just simplify it and draw benzene like this. So if the benzene had a single methyl group, this is called toluene. If the benzene ring had like a chlorine group, this is chlorobenzene. And similarly, if the benzene had a bromine group, this is just called bromobenzene. So these halides are usually used in like organic reactions because they make for good leaving groups. So typically when you start off with bromobenzene, most of the time it gets replaced by a different side group of your choice. And I think I'll just write down one more. Let's say we had a benzene ring with an alcohol group. This is just called a phenol. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. Benzene is an organic and hugely important chemical compound with the molecular formula C6H6. It consists of 6 carbon atoms joined together in a ring with a hydrogen atom bonded to each carbon. Many important chemical compounds are derived from benzene by replacing one or more of its hydrogen atoms with another functional group. The derivatives of benzene are classified into monosubstituted, disubstituted, trisubstituted, and polysubstituted. So monosubstituted derivatives are those in which one hydrogen atom is substituted with another functional group. The most common monosubstituted derivatives of benzene are, so this phenol I think was meant to go to the last one, toluene, chlorobenzene, and bromobenzene. So this is benzaldehyde. So everything's just a little out of place. And benzoic acid is the second one here. You can see it has a carboxylic acid group. And then aniline, I believe, is the one with the NH2. And styrene is the one with the double bond. Let me just Google. Yeah, so styrene's the one with the double bond. Benzonitrile, acetophenone, anisole, and nitrobenzene. So acetophenone is the second compound here. Benzonitrile is the last one. Nitrobenzene is the NO2 group. And anisole is that, yeah. So it's pretty much like methoxybenzene, so it's the third compound here. Okay, so the solution is correct. There's probably just the image just got a little shifted, so that's why all the names are kind of misplaced. But I'll still say the solution is correct.